Hi, here I am Shubhaprada, Assistant Professor of Mechatronics Department, MEM School of Engineering. Here we are going to see about the Unit 4, that is Digital Products and Laws. So in this topic, we are going to see what is digital innovation and what are the inventions and innovations we are going to see in our digital life, and also what are the developments as well as what are the examples or occurs in the knowledge access. Let me see one by one. Digital innovation. So today digital innovation is at the heart of the every organization. So we need to digitize the internal operations to do things better, faster and cheaper. And we also find new ways to engage the users and bring the new products and services to the market. So we have to drive the digital innovation, that is a hard work, and changing the market conditions in very planning around the moving target. So that is it means making the rapid change by using the digital technologies and will enhance the service, traditional models, products and process. So we have to need a faster path to transform our innovative new ideas into winning applications. Here is the invention and innovations. So invention means that is a creation of technical solution, that is product or services to become a problem. That is the invention. There are three conditions for inventions we have to check. The first thing will be the novelty, second is the non-obviousness, third is the industrial applicability. With these three conditions is applicable, then only the inventions will be come into the world and it is used by everyone. Next is the innovation. So innovation means that is the translation of inventions into a marketable product. So it will be commercialized of inventions. So that is when any product is already in the market, means we have to make any new ideas, that is new inventive ideas on that product, means that will be comes over the innovative ideas. Okay, so here we have more things to be the fast track teams that will be acts as incubators within their enterprises. So the inventions as well as the innovations will be occurred from people, process, platform, portfolio, driving digital innovations for a competitive edge, customer, partner or supplier engagement, product and service, then internal systems processing, reporting or access. Next is the scope. So that is the application of the new technologies to the existing business problems and practices. So it will digitize the internal operations to do the things better, faster and cheaper. It will also find the new ways to engage the users and bring the new products and services to markets. So that is the ideas have always been others that emulate them. So the human beings are social by nature and mimicking comes naturally to most of us. So the young children were learned to imitate a form of educating ourselves, and as adults many times emulate others in many differing forms of culture, language and behavior overall. So these will be gives not the reality of strength and safety in numbers that will form the survival. Here is the another example, that is the machine to machine communication. When there is a machine to machine communications, we have ushering an era of predictive maintenance. So the sensors will embedded in machinery and are capable of transmitting the data to pinpoint when the maintenance is needed. So likewise, the machine to machine communications will be occurred in ushering and predictive maintenance. Next is the Starbucks. So the Starbucks are launched in a mobile order and it will pay the app in 2009. So this app will be enables the customers to order or pay their food, beverages, anything. Everything will be ordered through the mobile apps. So this will be comes outlet in advances. So the mobile payments will be now account for impressive 20% of transactions at the Starbucks. Next is the Tesco. So that is Tesco is a notable example. That is how the retailers will retail their products or process into the multi-channel harvestings. So this products will be retailed and the grocery chain will be successfully had a revenue in South Korea by creating the virtual stores. So likewise in India also most of them the grocery chain has beefed up their revenues in virtual stores by making a Tesco notable about how the retailers will retail their multi-channel business. Next is the washing detergent brand. So that is a OMO. So it is recently partnered by J. Walter Thompson, who has launched the Peggy. That is Peggy is one of the washing detergent brand. So they have smart peg featuring light and it is a humidity and temperature sensors. So along with that Wi-Fi model is also available. So it will provide the consumers with information on best time to do what the washings will be various weather indicators. So likewise the washing detergent brands will be different from one to another. Next is the British multinational chain. So that is a Tesco. So they have provided a Tesco installed face scanning technology in the petrol stations. So when any one person have to fill their petrol in a bike or anything else, means first they have to go there and scan their faces. After scanning the faces, the technology will provide the petrol. So likewise they have introduced it. So the personalizing advertisements will be individual and it is the customers once they reach the cash registers. Next is the eBay, which is launched a new VR technology that will allow the Australian customers to browse more than 12,500 products using the new gaze recognition technology. So that is the site search. So everyone have to launch the VR technology and it will allow the Australian customers to browse more than the 12,500 products. So the Pepsi will be created the 250 million interactive cans which will be users and it will put forward a football game with the world's leading 5 players. So in that they have mentioned that the hours that is they have to engage the cans. So in every month they have engaged 60,000 hours for cans. So the conversations will be of a percentage level, that is 2%, and it is roughly 3.5 million people will bought Pepsi cans again and again. Next is the IKEA stores. So that is the global chain which is made by the customer's choices and it is less overwhelming with the augmented reality app. So it will looks like a virtual interior designer and it will allow the customers to visualize the 3D version of furnitures in their homes. So these stores will be available and they have to provide such a choices to the customers reality apps. Next is the KitKat's interactive chocolate bar. So it is enabled for the customers and it will visualize the KitKat chocolate bars to the products. That is, it is a difference of other products. So that is makes the product to be very useful. So it will visualize to interact with the customers to like the boss. Next is the L'Oreal. So the L'Oreal company has launched more makeup sets for women. So likewise, they have introduced the Makeup Genius, that is app in the Australia. So the women have tried to buy their products in the cosmetic products in the online version, that is through the app, and they have used the reality technologies. So the purchases will be direct through the Priceline online only. So this will be made through online method, and there is no any issues in the buying of products. Next, the New York Times, that is the digital subscription, which is revenue which increased for the 40% year over year. So there are now over 2.2 million people are there paying the digital editions. So most of the 70% of total subscribers will found the different bases, and they have provided the digital subscriptions in their yearly life. The Walmart mobile app is main thing for e-commerce only. So most of the retailers has made this app and introduce the customers, allows the customers to add their cost, shopping list, everything in the stores. So this makes the customers to retail their products. So this is very enriching, and it is very useful for the customers. To guide the items, we have to list the items first. So then we have to give the cost of the each items and provided it to the customers. Next, P&G, which was one of the first adopters of Amazon's dash button system, and it enables the consumers to reorder the products with simple push button. So the consumers can simply press the dash button and attach their washing machine. So to get the new shipment, they have a couple of days from Amazon, and for without the computers or credit cards. So they will shipment their products. Next is the OTs, that is it will collect the sensor driven data for all the elevators worldwide. So this will be instantly track the track the data and the health of the equipments, and also conduct the predictive maintenance. So it will prevent the future system problems. So this makes the OTs to collect all the data of the customers in a worldwide. So Starbucks, so it has been invested digital strategy to the customers to connect through mobiles. So most of the Starbucks will track the customer purchasing behavior, their rewards, their spend of money for the products. Everything will be tracked by the Starbucks. So they will track all the details and they maintain the data in their systems. Thank you.